This is a WIAT 42 Storm Track Severe Weather Update.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Prater. We're here updating you on the potential for severe weather moving across Alabama. And there is a weather alert which we have issued for all of today through tonight into early tomorrow morning. And that is at 6 a.m. that this will expire. Reason being, we have a number of showers and thunderstorms moving through the southeast, but some of those will become much stronger, possibly even severe. And a couple of those could be strong enough and rotate that we are looking at the potential for a tornado or two mixed in with this batch of thunderstorms that hasn't developed yet. So hang on, it's not even really cranked up yet. But to our south and west, this is where a lot of the upper level winds are continuing to stream towards the north and east. Our temperatures are up, our dew points are high, we've got plenty of moisture flowing in, and that obviously is something we're watching with a lot of caution, but also it's a lot of ingredients are really lining up for the potential for at least severe weather and then again some isolated tornadoes. Look at this clearing line. That's not good because that heats up the atmosphere. It gets the atmosphere a little more active, and that adds fuel to the atmosphere. And that fuel is what helps keep the thunderstorms going, moving the air around so fast. And then eventually we have winds associated with downdrafts, and that's where we get our gusty straight line winds. Now, we don't have a whole lot happening around Birmingham westward, but those of you in East Alabama, this is just a good rain. But there's nothing severe here, but a little bit of lightning in the mix. And as we've watched throughout the morning, we've had a few flashes of lightning periodically, but all of this is moving so fast towards the north and east, it hasn't lasted long. Our temperatures range from 66 now in Birmingham to 69 in Montgomery, 74 in Jackson, Mississippi. That's a powder keg. You can see the storm track future cast through 3 o'clock, a couple of thunderstorms possible, and then it really starts to ramp up as we get later into this evening, into tonight. Again, all bets are off on where these storms will develop, but we can tell you the best potential for larger tornadoes would be anywhere from Hamilton back over to Double Springs, down to Fayette, Walker County, back into Lamar and Pickens County. And as these storms continue tracking towards the east throughout tonight, some spots we will have to deal with the potential of a larger tornado, not out of the question. One of those spots that we're watching very carefully is Hamilton right now, and that is in Marion County. And joining us right now, we have storm track meteorologist Nate Harrington, who's live. Nate, what can you tell us?
Thanks a lot, Mark. Well, what we can tell you is all through the morning and into the early afternoon, we've seen some on and off rain. It was definitely heavier early this morning. Right now, just some very light rain. That's all we're getting. Overcast sky. We have seen periodic little breaks in the overcast where a little bit of sunlight has come through. But right now, just seeing a very overcast sky. And we're right along Highway 17, State Highway 17, right near the Interstate 22. We've got a good vantage point in all directions. So we're going to keep up watching the skies for today. Right now, like you said, no severe weather popping now, but if it does, Hamilton and folks in Marion County in the northwest corner of our viewing area really in the bullseye for some of the strongest weather possibly. And of course, we'll keep you updated if that happens. We've got lots of different resources you can use to stay updated, of course, on air at the top of the hour. Online, we'll be posting blog updates on our website, WIAT.com. That will be some of the very latest information that you'll be able to get hour by hour. So we're going to stay here in Hamilton and keep you up to date for the rest of the evening and into the overnight, if necessary. It's weather coverage you can count on.
This has been a WIAT 42 Storm Track Severe Weather Update. Weather coverage you can count on.